sounds so bad. It's
I'm
like
fine, right?
Yeah. It's like you have an accordion. Okay.
Am I on the grass?
No, you're good. Just go straight back.
What's up? So today we're gonna be changing out the coilovers. What else are we gonna be doing? Trying to take off my old vinyl wrap that I did for my roof. It's pretty fucked. It's been like sitting in the sun for like the past 3 years, and it's finally time to take it off. And hopefully I don't fuck up the paint. What else? Coilovers. Oh, brake pads. My brakes are fucking gone. So what I'm trying to do for this car is I'm trying to sell it and get a new car. And I'm just trying to make it as good as it is, and then seeing how much money I can get off of it. That's pretty much it. Just brake fluids, brake pads, suspension, and vinyl. Is it coming off brakes?
So basically, we're just trying to return it to OEM because the dealership or whoever we sell the car to, it's gonna just like buy it as is, and then whatever money that Jordan's gonna get from this, it's gonna be like towards like the new car. So Jordan's like new car that he's like debating on getting is either the GR86, the 2022 or the 2023, or the Subaru BRZ. So we're just gonna be like you said, we're gonna be replacing he has like I think 10 coilovers. We're gonna replace it back to stock, and then just changing out the wheels and everything like that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So we got the car all jacked up, and then we're gonna be removing the suspension. Here is Jordan's factory suspension, and the favorite thing about Jordan's car is this wheel has 5 lug bolts, right, Jordan?
Well, let's hope.
And this one has 4. This one's missing
one.
one. Yes, this one has 4. And basically, I think the other ones have 4 as well, right?
Yeah.
And then while Bricks is literally trying to remove the wrap that Jordan did like a long time ago. Having fun?
Shit's clap.
And yeah, this one has 4 as well. So we're gonna be removing the suspension really quick and then trying to return it back to stock. It's not coming off, huh?
I don't want to fuck up my fingers.
Hello, Art? Yes. Hi. I don't have a whole lot of time.
Let's begin by finding out whether you're using this line properly or not.
Area said you was.
Were you an employee or are you now?
Okay, so basically what Jordan did and Bricks had taught us is to jack up the rotor so it puts like the relieves like pressure from this. So this thing, because this thing was connected here and right here, and basically once we like jacked it up, it released the pressure and it was like it just slipped right out. And then the other thing that we did was we used like, I don't know if you guys can see, it's gonna be a little hard. No, it's not really focusing. But there's like 2 clips that holds the suspension together, and now we're just gonna be getting rid of, oh shit, I messed up, this big bolt right here. Nice. One down.
One down.
And Bricks is working on the back.
He started like 10 minutes ago and he's already all done.
Probably like 5 minutes ago, yeah. Speedy Gonzalez in the back. And now just to put in the front are the OEM ones. Have you ever done this before?
No. Yeah. Once.
Well, hopefully it goes smoothly.
Hopefully not.
So basically Jordan needs to take out the top hat and reuse it for the OEM ones.
The fuck? It's spinning on the inside. The fuck?
So we ran into a little hiccup. It's hard to like get this top hat off of the front suspension. So Bricks is Speedy Gonzalez and ready to remove the back. So and then he wants to go do some homework. And then we're just gonna be putting in the back, and then we put like some WD-40 on the front ones. So hopefully that sits, and hopefully we can like try to like take it off, because we like Jordan was like doing research earlier and couldn't really find anything on how to remove the top hat off the teen, and
Yeah,
so
it
we're
was just too much. Like,
yeah, so we're just gonna do the back, and then hopefully we'll come back to the front.
By the time that we're done with this one, brakes will be done.
Oh, this one work? To be honest, yeah.
Mine are fucked.
So it's been a while since I picked up the camera. Me and Bricks have been trying to like put back the rear suspension, and like I don't know how Bricks did everything by himself, but yeah, it took us a while. And now we're just gonna be, what are you doing? Changing the brake pads?
Yeah.
So basically it was a 14 millimeter, right? And there was 2 bolts.
Mm-hmm.
And we
then-
can now go ahead and slide on the new brake pads. Paint it.
So it was 2 14 millimeter bolts. And then we just slid up the caliper, and then now you just slide out the brake pad, right?
Yeah, I have to put this on. And I don't know if this is the front or this is the back. We'll figure it out. If I survive, I survive. If I don't, I don't.
Well, we're all gonna be in the car together. We're gonna go uphill.
Are you gonna drive?
No. Or else we're gonna be going neutral all the way downhill. So Jordan used a flathead to remove the rear brake pad, and then here, hold up the other one. Fucking mosquitoes, dude. So this is how they are supposed to look.
It's almost kind of the same. I only need a little bit more.
Show me it. Show me it.
Dude, I think I have like a good 200, 300 miles on this one.
God damn, that's just basically bald. How it's supposed to look. I'm dead.
So we were
explain
having a little problem with the caliper.
Like it
Or
wouldn't
this is a
close.
caliper, right? Yeah. So this thing was kind of pushed towards like us, and we were trying to figure out how to push this back in. Literally just used this dinosaur tool, and then just squeezed it and pushed back this piston in, and then now we can put it back.
All right, one down, 3
One
to go.
down. That took the longest, man.
I think it took us like what, 2 hours?
No, it's just
Getting the
I-
top half off was hard.
It was more on like I was trying to like save it so that I can sell it in the future. But you know, whoever, no, I can't do that to them. I'm gonna tell them what happened. But literally, what happened was, where's that top at? Where's that nut? Oh, this nut.
It's on the top.
So, what was happening was we were trying to take off this top hat. This nut was on there, but every time we spin this nut,
Everything spins with it.
this middle part would spin with it. They said that you would need a needle or like some sort of tool to put on top of here and then hold it down. But we don't have that tool. So what we did is that we literally grabbed, what do you call this? Dinosaur wrench?
I think it's a flower.
Or plier? We call it dinosaur wrench.
That's okay.
And then we grabbed it from the middle and then we just spun it out. And it finally worked. You know what? Maybe the WD-40 helped.
Yeah, we put a little bit of WD-40 on it.
Alright, well, that's over. Now we can start on the front.
At least we have this side done. We just have 3 more sides to go. So,
It should be easy. Yeah, just now, because we know what to do. So we'll be fine.
and Briggs is still working on his homework. I'm hungry. Are we gonna eat after this?
Yeah, you want to eat? Or you want to eat?
I don't know, man. As long as your car or my car works.
You want to drive my car? You can drive it.
No, I don't know about the brakes. Huh?
Oh, it's brand new brakes, man.
I know. We'll see
We're
what
gonna
we do.
change out the brake fluid too. What more do you want?
Alright, so I don't know where we are in the video, but we finished the driver's side of putting the car back to stock, like right height and stuff. And it's absolutely atrocious. Look at it. And then look at the front.
Got me a monster truck.
This is gross.
American right here.
And look how it sits.
Meow.
It's like tilted. Like the left side is like so much lower. It's okay.
It's like my nutsack.
We got dark so early.
Right side is over.
Hey, I didn't need that visual, dog.
But yeah, this is not gonna be an install video because I don't know how much I recorded, to be honest.
Yeah, you're gonna have to
I
cut a lot out.
mean, if you're recording the whole time, it's been 6 hours.
To be honest, yeah, we started at 1:30. It's already 7:02.
Yeah.
But we'll do an install video with Jordan's new car.
Fuck it.
So yeah, we're gonna go get food because I'm freaking hungry, and then we'll update you guys.
Stupid.
Okay, let's get food. I'm hungry.
Can I drive home like this?
Are you going to?
I might, because like I have work at 7
In the morning?
in the morning, so I have to wake up at 6. I don't think I should. It's only 6. I mean, I'm gonna give it 3 more hours, and the other one I can just raise. I think it's raised up to the highest.
I'm gonna go get
point
food. I'm
that-
hungry. I'm tired. Alright, so we just ate. What is it? Greek food?
Yeah, great.
Gyromania.
Gyromania.
In Santa Cruz. Did you like it?
Oh, it was bomb. Closest thing I can relate it to is Halal Guys. But Halal Guys is I still think Halal Guys is better.
Okay, I guess like being Asian, I'm not used to that type of rice.
Oh, they're
It's like
there's
kinda
a
like-
name for it.
I forgot what it's called, but it's not like my favorite type of rice. But the meat was good, and like the whole like I think it was called what, pita bread.
Yeah.
The pita bread was good. I like their Greek paste or garlic paste, whatever it was. That was pretty good.
The traditional white sauce was good.
Yeah, that was really good. But I mean, like since we haven't really like eaten all day, and then like just working on the car, it's not too bad.
I was hungry. That shit was delicious.
But now we're just gonna go back to Briggs' house to finish the other side. I don't know how much I'm gonna record of it,
Oh, I wish we can finish. Like,
just because I don't want this video to be super long. And then we'll do like an install video on Jordan's new car whenever that comes, hopefully.
next week.
Shit, I wish, that'd be nice. Took us what, about I got no camera. So about an hour and a half. We started at like 9ish, and we finished. Anything to say, my friend?
Easier than I thought. Yeah.
It wasn't so bad.
Right? When we have the Wikipedia right there helping us.
Yeah. Thank God.
I'll take it, bro.
Anything else you want to say, Jordan? About hopefully the final days of this car?
Don't sell your car.
Oh, no, I think the message of the day should be take care of your car.
Yeah, take care of your car.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah.
Nah, take better care of it.
True. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Anything else, Bricks? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. You think it's gonna work?
I hope so.
Try it, try it, try it.
Oh! Bro, that was like 50%.
It doesn't even make like the rattling sound that we heard earlier.
Dude, I can just go over this now, huh?
Yep.
Fine, dude.
That monster truck hype, food. That monster truck. Damn. Stop on the dime, stop on the dime. Yeah.
Ain't no brake light.
I'm dead.
Let me put it on the side. Hey, watch out, watch out.
Damn, on a dime.
Oh shit, someone's coming. What? Hey, now you can drive it. I'm gonna go on the freeway with this. I'm gonna go.
Oh, my fault.
Bro, I heard a nut come falling out.
You heard one? Oh, that'd be bad.